Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to download and install Visual Studio 2019. Go to your browser, search for Visual Studio here where visualstudio.microsoft.com is written. You click on this link, scroll down a little bit here where only Windows icon is there. Click on this arrow and here this community 2019 we are going to download this because this is free for individual developers, academic users and open source. Click on this download link. Here your Visual Studio is going to get downloaded. You can see there. After downloading this Visual Studio 2019, click on this show in folder option. Here, after going to downloaded file folder, we are going to click on this file. Now right click on this file and click on run as administrator. After clicking on run as administrator, this window will pop up by saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Now again, one more window will pop up by saying, before you get started, we need to set up few things so that you can configure your installation. Click on continue. Here your Visual Studio installer is getting downloaded. Here you can see that Visual Studio installer is getting installed. Once your installation is done, here Visual Studio installing window pops up by itself. Here you need to select the components you want to install along with Visual Studio. You can see there are too many components such as ASP.NET and web development, Python development, .NET desktop development with C++, Node.js development, mobile development with .NET, mobile development with C++. You can select as many components as you want. Here is installation location. If you want to change installation location, you can go for that. I'll keep it as default. Here is language packs. Here English is already selected. I'm going to go with only English. If you want any other language, you can go for that. Individual components. Individual components are of component which you have already selected. I have already selected ASP.NET and web development component, and here is its individual components. You can see that all the components are here. Its framework, languages, now here is installation details. You can see here live share is already selected, but if you deselect it, you can notice significantly change in size of the file. So I'm going to deselect it so it becomes 8.86 GB and check if all the necessary things are already checked and go for install. Here is another option saying install while downloading and download all then install. If you want to go for these options, you can go for that. I'm going to go with install. Here you can see Visual Studio community is getting downloaded and installing packages. Here your Visual Studio installer is getting downloaded and installed. This installation process will take up to 15 to 20 minutes. After getting downloading and installation of this Visual Studio will pop up with restart option for your laptop. I'll suggest go for restart and then start your Visual Studio. I'm going to wait for 15 minutes. You can see it's getting downloaded. Here, after downloading and installing Visual Studio 2019, I have restarted my device. And after restarting my device, we are going to start Visual Studio. So now, go to your search bar and search for Visual Studio. Here is your Visual Studio already downloaded. Click on Run as Administrator. After clicking on Run as Administrator, Visual Studio will get start. After starting this Visual Studio will come up with this pop-up, something like this. Yes, this pop-up. You can skip this sign in or create new account option for now and click here now, not now, maybe later, and go ahead. Here select the theme you want. I'm going to go with dark theme and click on Start Visual Studio. Here Visual Studio is preparing for our first use. Here you can see options such as clone a repository, open a project or solution, open a local folder, create a new project, and continue without code. So here we are going to use this Visual Studio for the very first time. That's why I am going to go with continue without code. After clicking on continue without code option, here is Visual Studio 2019 IDE has been started. Before going further introduction to Visual Studio 2019 IDE, I want to request you all to go to this Instagram page that is @technically_wired. This is one of my friend's account. Go there, check out this page. There is a lot more interesting stuff on art, technology. You will definitely love it. Do follow this account. And here we are back to our Visual Studio 2019 introduction. Here is in this Visual Studio 2019, we can see there is file option, edit option, view option, git option, debug option, analyze tools, extensions, windows helps you while programming in this while doing your programs in this Visual Studio. You can explore all these options, take help from all these options. Here our Visual Studio 2019 IDE has been downloaded and installed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to InfoStudio. Bye for now.